Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're looking at the Snowblower again. Now I did my video, I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but I was just showing that I had an issue with the gears, and I had so many of you awesome people tell me what the problem was. And it looks like that is the problem, so I'm filming the before and I'll film it after here in a second. But basically, the gear shifter, there's a cable, right? And right now it seems nice and taut, which it should be, but it should be taut all the way in the highest gear, which is 6, and clearly there's too much play. All right, so all I have to do is undo this nut here. All right, take the bolt out and adjust this plate. There's a couple more holes there, all right, to allow more adjustment. So once they get this taut, we're going to try it again, but I have a good feeling about this, and that's why I'm filming it. Just kind of say thank you, because it's really a simple solution. So I got some wrenches here. I'm going to find the right one and get to business. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so it is all done. I can't believe how simple that was and how silly it was that I haven't checked this. This problem has been happening, I want to say, I think it happened in the middle of last season, and I just kind of dealt with it. I thought, I'll fix it. And then over the summer, I just totally forgot. And then this year, obviously, I just mentioned that it was a problem. So I adjusted the cable, and this is it in the 6-speed, all right, 6 gear forward, and it's taut. I literally changed the position of the hole, you know, and put back the nut and the bolt. So huge shout out to everyone who suggested this problem. There's one in particular person that sent me a link to a video on this. It could not be easier. So let's go ahead and do the test here. All right, it's already in the on position. Actually pump a little gas in there. Here we go. Holy moly, that is really, that's something else, how stupid and simple that was to fix. So here's my hypothesis. I don't know if this is something that just happens over time with usage, but if you noticed, I put it back in the first gear going forward. This is usually just how I store this, but I'm realizing now that's putting extra tension on the cable, which might not be necessary. If I store it in the fastest gear when it's off, it lets off the tension. All right, so maybe that's what eventually, I don't know, stretched something out. I don't know if it stretched the cable or just eventually got loose, but we are good to go. That is awesome. So now I have a slow reverse, a fast reverse, and the full 6 gears. So thank you so much, everyone out there. You guys are awesome. I love the internet, right? So many problems resolved with a simple video. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. This thing has been kicking great. A lot of people had commented and said they have Troy-Bilts for many years, and it's just good to go. You know, I'm gonna do an oil change this summer, but that's it. It'll be good for the rest of this winter and many years to come. So that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks again. Really, I'm blown away how simple that was. So that's all. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.